In this video, I am going to teach you how to change text color on card.co. So in order to do that, first head over to their website, which is card.co. And then from in there, just choosing here your option. You can either log in or choose a starting point. So into this part, I'll head over and then log in since I already have an account. However, if you do not have an account yet, you can choose a starting point instead in order to sign up. So now that I have logged in, I can see in here all of the designs that I have. So this is the design that I have already created. Now if you want to change the text color, you can click onto the actual text element. Then from in there you can see this icon, which is the paintbrush icon. Click on that right here in order to change the appearance. In this case, you can click onto the color right here. You can just input the hex code or you can play with the color wheel that we have right there. For example, let's make this pinkish. You can just play with this right here and this will automatically reflect the changes that you have made. So I'll just settle with this. And if you want to change the text color of another text, you can click on those texts again and then just proceed with doing what we have done earlier. So if you want to change the text color on the button, you can click on the button itself, then expand it. You can see in here the label and in here you can see the color. So for the label, you can click onto this and you can change it into the color that you want. As you can see, it changes as well. So you can do those things on buttons, on text, as long as you can actually use in here this appearance option. So that's how you change text color on card.co. Hope we helped.